these guys call Milford Sound home between July and November every year, as this is their nesting season. They tend to favour these hard to access rocky shorelines, and they build their nests about 50 metres up from the shoreline, in gaps between rocks and in burrows under tree roots. They are currently on their way out. I'd say in a few days' time they'll be all gone. So very lucky timing for you guys. They're going to head on a long annual voyage further south. And then they'll come back here next July and do this all over again. Lately we've been noticing a lot of juvenile penguins going